everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a redecorate with me. Here's the before. My room is a mess kind of, and it's very cluttery, so I just wanted to, switch up the vibe a little bit and have a little bit more space. By the way, if you have not already, please make sure you hit that subscribe button, comment, and like for more videos. I'm gonna go ahead and speed through basically me just reorganizing and rearranging my room. I hope you guys enjoy. So I'm bringing in this desk. I got this desk from Target. I wanted it for a very, very long time. Then I finally got it and I love it. It's a nice size and it's pretty sturdy and it has a lot of storage space. So I definitely appreciate that. I'm moving over to my original desk. I really, really love this one too. So I am keeping it. I'm moving it into the living room for my computer setup. And then I'm going to move my Impressions vanity light over to the new desk. Taking down my little brush holder. I really love it, so I'm going to keep it for a while just to see if I want to put it back up eventually or use it for something else. I did make that, by the way. If you want the details of like my apartment tour and like little DIYs that I've done around the apartment, I will leave that video linked in the description box. Now I am taking my side table. I got this on Facebook Marketplace and I'm obsessed with it. Like, I love how it's so like dainty and like cute. It's like a little picket fence style is what I call it. I wish I could find another one, but I've been looking all online, but I think someone handmade this, so I'm gonna have to make one in the future so that I can have a matching set. Now I'm just straightening up my bed. I had to wash the little pillow in the front because I got makeup on it, so that is in the washing machine. And then I put my bed risers back on my bed. They're not that cute, but I really like the bed more when it's higher up. And then I'm gonna move over to this cube area and I'm just gonna take the top part out just to make it easier for me to move over. It's gonna be directly in front of my bed. That way I can look at the TV when I'm laying and being cozy in the bed, which is very rare actually. I don't watch TV often. That's why I have such small TVs in my apartment. I don't use them. I'm going to take these electronic cleaning wipes, which I found these at TJ Maxx. I am obsessed with these. I use these to clean my computer, my phone, my iPad, everything. And then I'll just go back over the TV with a microfiber cloth. Now I'm just going to clean up everything. Like I said, I wanted to have a more minimal look to my room. I still have a long ways to go. I feel like I just have so much stuff. So little by little, I've been purging and decluttering. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I appreciate you guys so much. I'll see you next time.